Kinda. No, maybe. Let's pray. Come out. Come here. I won't harm you. Look out, guys! Yes, Jessica, today's girl. Well, do you know this is an orphanage? Yes, I know. I have to take this. Hold on. Huh. A hang-up. That's weird. Hi, honey. I'm home. Guess who's also here? Me. Oh, we're kind of going to have a romantic
I
night.
love romance.
We're going to watch a movie.
I love movies.
And we're going to do it just us. And you can't be here. I'm sorry. I love you, though. Sometimes you're so... What's that? Doom, 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 doom.